Release information of Nike Cosmic Unity 3N7 2023. More than just a game, basketball is like medicine for many members of the indigenous community. This idea is honored by the Cosmic Unity 3N7, which has a color scheme of Tour Yellow, University Red, Coconut Milk, and Black. Furthermore, the N7 community is united by the shade of turquoise, which represents friendship. For comfort near the ground, this shoe's design prioritizes both security and lightness. Last but not least, a black rubber outsole contrasts with a sail foam midsole to create a cohesive and fashionable design. The lateral heel and insoles bear the N7 emblem, and the back heel tabs boldly bear the name Cosmic Unity. Whether you want to purchase in person or online at Nike.com, the Nike Cosmic Unity 3N7 is now easily accessible at a few Nike sportswear retailers. This amazing shoe is available in men's sizes and costs an eye-catching $170.